God's restoration. When temptation rises like a shadow at noon, do not mistake it for God abandoning you. Many times, it's the Lord exposing what has been hiding beneath the surface. Wounds you forgot, desires you buried, battles you pretended you had already won. Temptation is not always a punishment. Often it's a mirror. It reveals the corners of the heart we have not surrounded, the rooms we have refused to let God enter. But here is the mystery of divine mercy. God does not expose to shame you. He exposes to save you. He allows the enemy to rather your gates so you can see where they were weak. He lets the storm shake the tree so you can see which branches were dead. In every temptation, there is a quiet invitation. Let me heal what you can no longer hide. And when you resist, even trembling, even imperfectly, heaven celebrates, because every victory over temptation becomes a stitch in the torn fabric of your soul. Each time you turn away from what once controlled you, God pours healing oil over the wounds that created that desire in the first place. What once tempted you becomes a testimony. What once wounded you becomes wisdom. What once weakened you becomes strength. So do not despise your temptations. When you overcome them by God's grace, you are not just avoiding sin. You are being repaired, restored, remade. You are experiencing the fierce mercy of a God who would rather reveal your weakness now than let it destroy you later. That is divine mercy, not only forgiving the fallen, but transforming the fighter.